Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Good evening. How are you? My name is Shishir. Now I will share in front with you something about primary education. When you don't know nothing about how to write, how to speak, that time primary education is the only one option from each of them. How to write, how to speak, how to speak alphabet word like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D. So now we will commemorate about of primary education. Basically, primary education is starting time at 9:30 a.m. This time fixed for assembly and singing the national anthem like আমার সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি, and then 10 a.m. This is time for class starting time. All student and teacher, they will back their classroom and teach the education. And 12 p.m. This is time for leave time for only two classes like class 1 and 2, and they will back their home, and they will back again class 3 and 4. Their class is starting time at 12 p.m. They 1 p.m. This is time for tiffin time, and they will sharing their lunch boxes. It will create their momentum and build their bonding. And 2 p.m. This is time for they will back their classroom again time. And now 4 p.m. This is time for leave time for all student and teacher, and they will back their home. This time has noise for every classroom, and this is the ending of a primary education day. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Next time I will see with you another content. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.